Hey there, incredible new parents and caregivers. Welcome to Health Baby Happy Mama. Today, we're preparing a week's worth of nutritious baby food. Imagine reclaiming precious time, reducing daily stress, and knowing your little one is getting the very best, all made with your love. This video is packed with simple, actionable strategies designed specifically for you, whether you're just starting solids or looking to streamline your routine. We'll show you how to nourish your baby's growing body and mind. Please like and subscribe to my channel and let's dive in. Starting solids is such an exciting milestone, but it can also feel like a huge task. You want the best for your baby, and homemade food offers incredible benefits. It allows you to control every ingredient, ensuring your little one gets pure, wholesome nutrition without any hidden additives or sugars. This approach helps you introduce a wide variety of flavors and textures early on, which is crucial for developing adventurous eaters. You're not just feeding your baby, you're building healthy habits for life. Before you even think about cooking, let's talk about planning. This step is your secret weapon against daily mealtime stress and decision fatigue. A little preparation goes a long way in ensuring your baby has a diverse and healthy diet throughout the week. Start by observing what your baby already enjoys and tolerates well. Think about their favorite fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins. This helps you build on their preferences and introduce new foods gradually, making mealtime a positive experience for everyone. Next, choose 4 to 5 base ingredients that are versatile and nutrient-dense. Sweet potatoes, carrots, peas, apples, and bananas are fantastic starting points. These ingredients can be combined in countless ways, offering variety without needing a huge grocery list. Decide which days you'll use freshly prepared food versus frozen portions. This flexibility is key for busy parents. Having a mix ensures your baby always has access to delicious, healthy options, even on the busiest days. Gather all your essential tools. These small organizational steps make the entire process smoother and more efficient. You'll feel so much more in control when everything is ready to go. A simple grid, like a Monday to Sunday planner, can be incredibly helpful. This visual guide helps you avoid waste and ensures a balanced diet, taking the guesswork out of daily feeding decisions. Now for the fun part, cooking. These 5 baby-friendly recipes are designed for batch preparation, saving you precious time during the week. Each recipe yields 4 to 8 servings, depending on your baby's age and appetite. Remember to adjust the texture from super smooth to slightly chunkier as your baby grows and develops their chewing skills. This vibrant puree is a fantastic first food, packed with essential vitamins and a naturally sweet flavor babies adore. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, crucial for vision and immune health, while carrots add another layer of nutrients. It's a powerhouse combination. To prepare, peel and chop 2 medium sweet potatoes and 2 carrots into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Steam them until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Steaming preserves more nutrients than boiling. Once soft, transfer the cooked vegetables to a blender or food processor. Add breast milk, formula, or a little water to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Start with a small amount of liquid and add more as needed until it's perfectly smooth for your baby. Portion the puree into small containers or ice cube trays. This makes it easy to thaw just the right amount for each meal. Label and date everything clearly, so you always know what you have on hand. This delightful mix introduces a wonderful balance of flavors and nutrients. Peas are a great source of protein and fiber, while apples provide natural sweetness and a boost of vitamin C. It's a gentle yet nutritious option for tiny tummies. Begin by steaming fresh or frozen peas until they are tender and bright green. This usually takes just a few minutes. For the apple, peel and core it, then chop it into small pieces. Gently steam or simmer the apple pieces until they are soft. Combine the cooked peas and apple in your blender. Add a small amount of water, breast milk, or formula to help achieve a smooth consistency. Blend until it's perfectly pureed, ensuring there are no large chunks for your baby. This combination is often a hit with babies due to its appealing taste. It's a great way to introduce green vegetables alongside a familiar fruit. Portion, label, and freeze for easy access throughout the week. This recipe is a lifesaver on busy days because it requires absolutely no cooking. It's incredibly quick to prepare and offers a fantastic boost of healthy fats and potassium, essential for your baby's development. Avocados are truly a superfood for babies. Simply use one ripe banana and one ripe avocado. The riper they are, the easier they will be to mash and the sweeter the taste. Ensure the avocado is soft to the touch, indicating it's ready. Mash them together thoroughly with a fork, or blend them for an even smoother texture. This mash is excellent for introducing different textures and healthy fats, which are vital for brain development. It's also a great way to practice self-feeding if you're exploring baby-led weaning. Serve this fresh, as it doesn't freeze well due to avocado's tendency to brown. It's perfect for a quick, nutritious meal or snack. This simple recipe proves that healthy baby food doesn't always require extensive preparation. Oats are a wonderful first grain for babies, providing sustained energy and fiber to aid digestion. Paired with the gentle sweetness of pear, this puree is both comforting and nutritious. It's a fantastic way to introduce grains. Cook plain rolled oats according to package directions, but use water, breast milk, or formula instead of cow's milk for babies under 1 year. Ensure they are cooked until very soft and creamy. While the oats are cooking, peel and core a ripe pear, then chop it into small pieces. Steam or gently simmer the pear until it's tender. Pears are naturally sweet and easy for babies to digest. Combine the cooked oats and pear in your blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth, uniform consistency. You can add a little extra liquid if needed to reach the desired texture. This puree is wonderfully filling and gentle on tiny tummies. Introducing legumes early can be incredibly beneficial, and this lentil and veggie puree is a fantastic way to do it. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein and iron, crucial for your baby's growth and development. This recipe is a complete meal in itself. Cook red lentils until they are very soft and mushy. Red lentils cook quickly and break down easily, making them ideal for baby purees. Rinse them thoroughly before cooking. While the lentils are cooking, prepare a mix of baby-friendly vegetables. Carrots, zucchini, and potato are great choices for this puree. Peel and chop them into small pieces, then steam or boil them until they are very tender. Combine the cooked lentils and vegetables in your blender. Add a little water or broth to help achieve a smooth consistency. Blend until it's perfectly pureed, ensuring no large pieces remain. This hearty puree offers a wonderful blend of nutrients. Once frozen, pop out cubes and store in labeled freezer bags. Date, ingredient. Fresh purees, not frozen, last 2 to 3 days in fridge. Use airtight containers, leave some room for expansion when freezing. Always cool before sealing and freeze quickly. Thaw overnight in fridge, or in warm water bath. Reheat gently, steam or warm water, never microwave directly in high heat. Stir well and test temperature before serving. For older babies, you can mix purees or add soft finger foods. Discard any leftover portion baby doesn't eat. Do not refreeze after reheating. Navigating solids can sometimes feel like a puzzle, but these tips will help you troubleshoot common challenges and make the journey smoother. Remember, every baby is unique, and patience is key. You're doing great. Always introduce new ingredients one at a time, waiting 3 to 5 days before introducing another. This allows you to easily identify any potential allergies or sensitivities. Keep a food journal to track reactions. Opt for seasonal, local produce whenever possible. It's often fresher, more nutrient-dense, and can be more cost-effective. Supporting local farmers is a bonus. Fresh ingredients make the best baby food. Clean your blender or food processor immediately after use. This prevents food from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. A quick rinse can save you a lot of scrubbing later. When you discover a recipe your baby absolutely loves, don't hesitate to double or even triple the batch. This ensures you always have their favorites on hand, making mealtime easier for everyone. Keep a backup like a plain banana mash or a simple avocado puree for days when your baby has a low appetite or is feeling unwell. These familiar, gentle options can be a lifesaver. Watch your baby's consistency cues. As they grow and develop, gradually make purees chunkier to encourage chewing and oral motor skills. This progression is vital for their development. And there you have it, amazing parents. You now have the tools and confidence to prep a full week of healthy, delicious baby food. This isn't just about saving time, it's about giving your baby the best possible start, fostering a love for nutritious food, and reclaiming precious moments for yourself. You're building a foundation for lifelong healthy eating habits, and that's something to be incredibly proud of. If you try these recipes or have your own favorite batch cooking tips, please drop a comment below and share your baby's favorite. Your insights help our whole community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Health Baby Happy Mama, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest baby food ideas, health tips, and mom life hacks. Thank you for watching, and remember, you've got this. Let's make every meal a happy, healthy adventure for your little one.